In this video, I am going to show you how to set up your HP Envoy 6120E printer. So this is a new printer, and to set up it, we have to do few things. This is a new printer. We are going to do the initial setup. We will install the setuping cartridges. We will load the paper. We will do the wireless setup, and then we will add in a smartphone for wireless printing and scanning. So first step is to go to the printer display panel. So switch on the printer, plug in the power cable, select your language, confirm it, select the country of residence. On the next screen it will ask you to go to the setup website, but right now we are just going to do the setup without going online. The first step is to load the paper. So open the paper tray, adjust the size, load A4 size or letter size paper, place it in, go to the printer display panel, press OK. So we have successfully installed the paper. Next step is to install the setuping cartridges. Again, lift it from this side, take your setuping cartridges out of the plastic packaging, and you should be using the setuping cartridges, only then your printer will start to work. So this is just for the first time. Place them one by one. So place it here and then push it in, so it will lock. So just place here and push. So once we have installed it, just press the door down and close it. Go to the printer display panel. So it's asking for the alignment. Click on the align. Wait for the alignment page to print. Once you see the alignment page, we have to scan it. Open the lid, place it facing down, and then click on the scan icon. Alignment is complete. Press OK. It will take you to the next screen and it will ask you return to setup website. But right now we are going to do the setup using the screen, so we will not go to the setup website. Click on the question mark, then click on the exit. So it says get HP software. We can click on the exit. Skip HP software, yes, exit. Next is the printer updates. Scroll up. This will activate the next button and click on next. Select your updates. You can select auto updates or notify and click on the save. select date and time, press OK, and you will see the main screen of the printer, and we are ready to do the copy. But still we have to do the wireless setup of the printer. Now there are two options. First is using the printer display panel, and the second is just using the HP Smart app. So if you want to use the HP Smart app, you can go directly there, or you can just click on the menu, scroll down, settings, network, Wi-Fi, select Wi-Fi setup, start. It will search for the available Wi-Fi networks. Select your Wi-Fi, click next. In this box we have to enter the Wi-Fi password using this keypad. So enter the complete password. Once you enter the password, press on the OK, submit, and OK again. It will connect to your home Wi-Fi network. It may take a little bit longer if the Wi-Fi connection is weak. In case you have any trouble with the connection, just move the printer near the wireless router and then it will connect. Connection is successful. Press OK and click on the home button. So our printer is available online, and now we have to install this printer in our smartphone. You can also add this printer in your MacBook or laptop. Even for that you can use the HP Smart app. You can download the HP Smart app from the App Store. In the app, go to the main screen and click on the Setup or Add Printer. Select the option Already Connected to Network. It will display HP NY 6100E series. Select it. Select Connected Printing Services, accept all. Touch Allow on the printer display panel. Automatically it will continue the setup process. On this screen you have to select if you want to activate the HP Plus or not. On this screen you have to select if you want to activate the HP Plus or not. This printer comes with the few months of ink supply that is free, and after that there is a charge from the HP for the ink delivery. Going to do not activate. I'm going to decline it. Continue. If you have a HP account, you can sign in. So this will give some extra features for you to use your printer. If you don't have HP account, you can create it, or you can just don't go for that. And on the next screen it will ask you for the 2 months of ink and delivery. So right now I'm just going to do not enable ink delivery. You can click on the try it for 2 months, or you can remind me later. That option is there. I'm just going to click on the skip offer because I don't need that. Click on the continue. Select the updates. Right now it's auto updates for the printer, and click save. We can print the welcome page and we'll see how it's the print speed and what's the print quality. This printer is capable of two-sided automatic printing. That's a good thing, and the print quality is really great. This is a good printer to print photos as well. On the next screen, if you want, you can send a link to other devices or you can skip it. You will see the main screen with the estimated level of ink, and now we can start using it for wireless printing and scanning. Thanks for watching.